Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Tuesday, November 24th, 2020. People, as I am doing this video blog, stock futures are higher across the board. And I want to talk about why. As a matter of fact, let's start off with that. So yesterday, we watched an extremely volatile market. Stocks started higher. We went negative. We went positive. We went negative. And then all of a sudden, the news that Janet Yellen is going to be nominated as the new Treasury Secretary under a Biden administration. I mean, the stock market went crazy. What does it mean? More easy money like you have no idea. I've been warning about this over and over again. Debt is the only thing supporting this market as our economy is in free fall. So, yeah, kind of in the middle of the day, market turned around yesterday. Then, after the market closed yesterday, we got another big piece of news that the transition to the new incoming Biden administration has officially begun. Stock futures just went boom. And they've been higher since that announcement. And it looks like, again, this market is going to the freaking moon on just these two pieces of news. With Janet Yellen, I mean, look, what better person, and I'm being kind of sarcastic here, could you put in the Treasury to help boost this market by the acquisition of debt on an unprecedented scale? Well, that person would be Janet Yellen, working in concert with the Federal Reserve to finish their final solution. That's what they're going to do here. And I don't know how many of you are paying attention to, especially Bloomberg this morning, talking about Fed independence. What does this mean, Fed independence? It means no oversight. In other words, the Fed can do whatever it wants to, whenever it wants to. That's the truth. We heard this from former Fed Chair Alan Greenspan. The Fed can do whatever it wants, whenever it wants, with no oversight. So again, we have an economy in free fall, complete total collapse, and it's getting a lot worse as governors continue to shut down the country. Okay. And the market is completely disconnected. This is a slaughter of the middle class, whatever's left of it. You're watching it play out. It started last year, early last year, when they began this COVID scam. And it's playing out right before your freaking eyeballs. So what could you expect? A market that is going to go to the moon and beyond, Pluto and beyond, like I said yesterday, while our economy free falls. This is, again, this phenomenon that we are witnessing here, merger of corporations and this new American government, new world order. That's how it's going to be. This is the new thing. Get used to it. No matter how much you cry and scream about anything, it doesn't matter. Like I've explained to you since like forever, they're too powerful and you can't fight it. But you can use the system to your advantage. And that's all I am about here. Explaining to you how you can beat it. Speaking of beating it, I've been a massive, major cryptocurrency advocate for quite a while, as you all know. Cryptocurrencies are taking off. Bitcoin broke 19,000. And again, with regard to all the big cryptos, okay, I don't have to sit here and label them because I know a lot of you want me to do that. I'm talking about all the big cryptos here. We haven't seen anything yet with regard to price action. They're going much higher from where we are now. Now, I want to bring to your attention something else. There is a complete decoupling right now between what the dollar does and precious metals are doing. The dollar is down 10% year over year. Okay. Right now, for example, the dollar is under pressure. It's falling in value. Meanwhile, this morning, gold and silver are under pressure, silver especially. So there is no relationship between these two assets anymore. And we know who is doing this. This is J.P. Morgan. Yes, the mega bank that continues to get caught over and over rigging the metals markets, and nothing happens and nothing will happen. They are too powerful. You understand? They are too powerful. So dollar lower, 10-year yield higher. The setup here is very simple. Market is going higher. Again, two massively positive pieces of news for the market. You got Janet Yellen, who is now going to be nominated to run the Treasury, and she's going to get it. And then you got, we all knew this was going to happen, unless you are off in la la land or literally in a delusional state or need to up your medication here. We knew a transition was going to happen to the Biden administration. I know a lot of you are holding on to hope. Ain't happening. It's not happening. I don't care who's telling you it is, that Trump is going to win the election. It's not happening. You have no say-so here. I explained to you months ago, Wall Street wants Biden. Wall Street will get who it wants. You don't matter. I don't matter. We don't matter. It's about the market. Once you understand that, your life will be a lot more simple, because you'll accept the fact that you and me don't matter. It's the market. Period. The market chooses. Wall Street chooses. We have no voice. If you think your vote mattered at all in this election, well, then you can really have no clue as to what is actually going on around you and what has been going on around you for a very, very long time. Anyway, so with that said, expect this market to go, again, like I said yesterday, to Pluto and beyond. Expect debt acquisition like you have never seen before. Again, just to put that into perspective real quick. And you can go right to the Federal Reserve's website if you don't believe me. Look at the Federal Reserve's balance sheet. Just end of February of this year, the Fed's balance sheet was $4.1 trillion. Right now, today, it's over $7.3 trillion, and we haven't seen anything yet. You think this is by accident here? No, they shut down the global economy via the scamdemic so they can do what they're doing now and finish their final solution to be the lender and buyer of last resort, to own the world. That's the truth. Nothing else matters right now. Nothing is what it seems. I can't believe that some of you out here believe that what you're seeing is real. And I hear from you every day in my email box, and I don't know. What should I write back? Laugh out loud, laugh my rear end off? I don't know. Nothing is what it seems. All right, I'm out of here. I got to go return some videotapes. I'll see you later.